The world would not be the same without Subway.
Quick, easy, fresh, delicious, yummy, doughy, meaty, juicy. What was it again?
I love making, holding, eating, and tasting Subway.
It's good for picnics. Now let's interview some people about Subway. Hello, how's it going?
Fine.
Good. Okay, what are your thoughts on Subway sandwiches?
I like Subway sandwiches.
You do? Nice. What do you like to put on them?
I like to put everything but the hot peppers.
Oh, hot peppers. I agree. I don't like spicy food.
Yeah, that's
Awesome. Yeah. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
Okay, how's it going?
Good.
All right. So, what are your thoughts on Subway sandwiches?
Subway's really good. Yeah.
Yeah, you like Subway?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What would you rate it out of 10?
Out of 10, solid A.
An 8? Okay, that's pretty good.
Yeah, Subway is solid A.
All right. So, what would you put on your Subway sandwiches?
I usually get the steak and cheese.
Steak and cheese. Awesome.
Yeah, I usually get that.
Cool. Thank you so much.
All right. Yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah. Have a great day.
What's your name?
Ken?
Ken?
Ken.
Ken. Okay. What are your thoughts on Subway sandwiches?
Love them.
You love them?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Great. What do you like to put on your Subway sandwiches?
Just about everything.
Everything? Awesome. Thank you so much.
All right.